Hello and welcome to this presentation about the benefits of Lean 5S and why you should be implementing workplace organization for Lean within your business. Lean 5S is so much more than just housekeeping. It's a firm foundation on which to build all of your other improvements within Lean. It's about organizing your workplace in an efficient manner, not just housekeeping and making it look pretty. It provides you with standard operations, which leads to repeatable and predictable processes. It also, most importantly, makes any abnormalities immediately obvious in your process, which means you can do something about it there and then. One of the things that 5S does for you is to help you to remove or minimize the 7 wastes of Lean. These are transport, inventory, motion, waiting, overproduction, overprocessing, and defects. 5S is amazing at getting rid of these wastes within your processes. The sorts of improvements you can see from 5S are typically in the order of 10 to 30% improvements in efficiency, and the reasons are that your workspace becomes more ergonomic so that it's easier for the operators to actually work, all the items are located in easy reach, and there's just no clutter there to cause delays. 5S can also help you reduce or eliminate delays in your processes. Because it's so visual, the visual management aspect shows you when products and tools are missing. It also shows you when materials are placed out of place and when you've got leaks and other machine issues that need to be solved. You can also apply the 5S principles to your setups. So you can have an ergonomic arrangement for your setup, all your tools will be to hand, and your process will be standardized. So your setups will also be significantly reduced by implementing the ideas behind 5S. 5S can have a major impact on process and product quality. Because you've got the right tools and equipment available, because you've got standardized processes, it makes it easier to make things right in the first place. You've also got improved handling, so there's less chance of damaging stuff, and your equipment is far more reliable once you've implemented 5S. Another very important factor that gets affected by 5S is safety. Whether you implement safety as a 6th step in 5S or whether you just implement it as part of the normal 5S process, you always improve safety. The reason being there's just no clutter there to create obstacles and hazards within the workplace. You've also got a more ergonomic and stress-free area, so there's no stretching or reaching, you're not lifting heavy objects. You also create standardized ways of working, so people always do things the right way. So you always improve safety by implementing 5S. While the main aim of 5S is not to make things look pretty, it does create a highly visual and a very tidy workplace, and this can make a great impression on current or potential customers. So 5S is a great advantage to your marketing if you can get your customers inside your premises. Another advantage of 5S is that you can improve morale and motivation for all of your staff. And the reason for this is the workplace is just less stressful. It's easier for them to do what they need to do. It's also safer, so there's not going to be so many accidents and the like. The staff are always involved in making their own improvements to make things easier for them, and they're empowered to actually make changes. So because of this, morale and motivation are improved by implementing 5S. Because 5S makes abnormalities immediately visible, and because all your operators and other staff are involved in implementing 5S, you can always improve your problems immediately, and you also drive continuous improvement of your processes. So can you really not afford to implement 5S? It's a tool that is so easy to implement and costs you next to nothing, but can give you some major improvements. Thank you for watching this presentation on 5S. If you want to learn more about 5S and to download these presentations as PowerPoint presentations or PDF files, or you just want to find out more about Lean and the other Lean tools, go to www.leanmanufacturingtools.org. Thank you.